We're going to be talking about strategy and growth, but specifically around the 3 A's of advisory, automation, and apps. And this is an amazing lineup of speakers today. So over to you. Live events. Are you looking forward to getting back?
I think that, although webinars are great for that hour session, if you like, and to pick particular bits, for me, it's been the live events. When I think to the last 6 years, what's changed my career, and I don't say that lightly, has been the live events where I've picked so much from pick and choose great bits of value and nuggets. And sometimes things or talks I hadn't even planned to see or thought were going to be a big deal that turned out to be the light bulb moment where I was kind of like, oh my God, I'm back to the office and we need to take action on this. So for me, that's the most exciting part of the live events, not so much what I'm expecting or prepared for, the bits and pieces that come around that. And again, to meet so many vendors again is just going to be a great opportunity.
So first over to Paul. A lot of people are going to be looking at you up on stage as a man who's won awards and very much has a mission. What's your number one message about advisory for accountants who are maybe a little bit nervous, a little bit scared of how they can go in, maybe not so tech savvy? What's your take on it?
Yeah, I think so many accountants have actually become accidental advisors over the last 18 months in many ways, and have found themselves, whether they're conscious of it or not, helping clients solve problems over the last 18 months. So I think many people are probably through that phase and have helped their clients in the best way they can, and now are perhaps looking to build the kind of what's next story for them and their practice and their clients. And I think that's quite difficult actually, because we talk about advisory and I think it's a really bad word. It's a bit like compliance. Yeah. It's an amorphous blob of stuff that no one's really sure what it is or what the definition is. So I kind of say, don't talk about advisory, talk about problems and solutions that you can understand and offer to your particular clients in your practice. And when you kind of think of it like that, you start to get very practical and very real quite quickly, I think. So if you're kind of scared of advisory, don't think about advisory, think more problems and how you can help people solve them and what those kind of solutions look like is kind of my first tip for anyone contemplating it.